Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the Soundcore Q45 for pairing and first use. First, plug in and charge to at least 50% so you avoid interruptions. The LED shows charging and full status. Then, put the headset on and adjust the headband and ear cups until you feel an even seal. This affects bass and ANC. Press and hold the power button to enter pairing mode. You'll hear a voice prompt and see a blinking LED. Once done, keep the headset nearby and active for the next step. You now pair and customize. On your phone or laptop, turn on Bluetooth and select Soundcore Q45 from the list. You should hear a connection tone. Next, download the Soundcore app. This gives firmware updates, EQ presets, and precise ANC controls. Open the app and follow prompts to update firmware. Don't skip this because updates fix latency and battery behavior. Once updated, choose an EQ preset or make a custom one, and experiment with ANC levels to balance noise reduction and awareness. Finish by learning daily controls and a key fix. You'll use the ear cup touch area for play/pause, skip, call handling, and toggling ANC. Practice short taps then swipes. The manual outlines gestures. Enable multipoint in settings to connect two devices simultaneously and make sure device audio outputs switch correctly. If you encounter pairing or audio dropouts, reset the Q45 by holding power and volume down for about 5 to 10 seconds, then repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.